and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a Trash to Treasure invitation. It is my seasonal Trash to Treasure. I've done these for past 3 seasons and I want to continue it. So I am inviting you to join in. My co-host for this month is Jelena from the Blondie Next Door, and I will have her channel linked down below. Make sure you check Jelena out. She does great DIY projects. She also does cleaning and a lot of mommy stuff. So she's definitely worth checking out. For what I want you guys to do for this challenge is there are a couple rules. They're pretty simple rules, so you have to follow me and Jelena, and you have to include our channel links as well as the playlist link on the upload on your video. The day of the upload is April 9th at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Now what I want you to do is there is no budget. You can pick anything you want to recreate to suit your style. So the original invitation goes out that I've done previously was anything from secondhand secondhand, from garage sale, thrift store, any type of Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, any type of secondhand outlet. But this time around, knowing the situation that we are all facing, I am saying that you can find something, if you don't have anything from a thrift store that you had maybe purchased before, to find something in your home that you aren't happy with and were considering throwing out and maybe making it over so it actually suits your style this time around. So it doesn't have to be a trash to treasure, a thrifted treasure. It can be a makeover from home. Like I said, if you do use a trash to treasure, thrifted item, there is no budget, and you can paint it, you can add things to it, you can really do anything to it to make it suit your style. So I hope you can join me. Like I said, the upload is April 9th at 7 a.m. I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody creates. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out the upload for this Trash to Treasure. Thanks for watching.